metswalle. Re a le amohela mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baobab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baobab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsaka mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Yippee!
Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. We say how's it and eta. What's up and sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen en kunjani. Riyalocha botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. We say how's it and eta. What's up and sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen en kunjani. Riyalocha botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng.
Ka nnete, ho monate ho bina. Ha o jwalo Baobab.
Eya.
Ke thabela ho utlwa hore le lona le rata mmino.
Bonolo,
Eya Baobab.
na re ka ya lebenkeleng.
Ho lokile Baobab. Empa o batla ho reka eng mabenkeleng?
Ke batla ho reka dipompong.
Baobab, o batla ho reka dipongpong fela?
Le dipapadiswa.
Baobab, wa tseba hore o tlamehile ho ja dijo tsa hao o di qete pele o fumana dipongpong akere?
Eya, ke a tseba.
Metswalle, nna le lona le rata ho ya mabenkeleng le batswadi ba lona. Oh, ho monate akere? Eya, ho monate haholo. Baobab, re kana ra ya mabenkeleng. Ho na le dinthonyana tse mmalwa tse ke di hlokang.
Woohoo, re ya mabenkeleng.
Ke hantle Baobab. Empa ho na le ntho e bohlokwa eo re tlameileng ho etsa pele re tsamaye.
Ke a tseba.
Eng Baobab?
Ho bina pina.
Baobab, ka nnete wa tshehisa. Tjhe, ho bina re ka bina. Empa nna ne ke bua ka ntho e nngwe e bohlokwa.
Ke eng eo Nolo?
Re hloka ho ngola dintho tsa rona re lo di rekang dishopong.
Oho.
Ha re etsa tjena, re ka se lebale ntho tseo re lo di rekang. Ebile re ka se reke ntho tse re sa di hlokeng. Metswalle, e reng ke le bontshe jwang? Ho lokile Baobab. O itse o lo reka eng?
Ke itse dipompong.
Pong. Le eng hape?
Le bolo.
Bolo. Oh, nna ke batla ho ithekela juice le buka e ntjha. Ke moo he. Jwale re ka se lebale.
Hantle haholo.
Lona metswalle, ha le ya mabenkeleng, le reka eng?
Ke rata go reka dibuka. Lebitso la ka ke Letlhanele. Ke rata go reka dimpopo. Lebitso la ka ke Baba. Ke rata go reka dibolo.
Oh, friends, Baby Bap and I just wrote down our shopping list.
Oh, yes. Are we done yet, Nola?
Almost, Baby Bap. I just wanted to add fruits and vegetables. We seem to have run out of those too.
Oh, okay.
Friends, it's always good to look around and see if you have left anything out. You don't want to come back home and realize that now you have to go back to the shops because you've forgotten something. So, I'm going to check that now, whilst we go on a short break. See you soon.
Oh, yes. Don't go anywhere, friends.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang hape metswalle mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang hape metswalle.
Nna le Baby Bap re ntse re ngola ntho tseo re di hlokang lebenkeleng.
Ke thabetse ho ya lebenkeleng. Yay!
Ho lokile he Baby Bap. Jwale he, hobane ho ya mane lebenkeleng, o hloka o dule o ntse o bala ntho tse ngata jwalo ka ntho o di rekileng. Hape le tjhelete. Ke nahana hore re hloka ho bina pina ya dinomoro ho e hopotsa tsona hantle.
Yay! Hare yang re ilo bina.
Ho lokile he. Friends, this is our friend the Singing Radio. Hello, Singing Radio. The Singing Radio loves to sing and it knows every song in the world ever made. Isn't that amazing?
Oh, yes! Song!
Okay, Singing Radio, do you have a song for us today? Ready, Baby Bap?
Ready!
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack with my hive with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he plays six. He plays knick-knack on my sticks with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he plays eight. He plays knick-knack on my gates with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack all over again with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man comes rolling home.
I love that song, Nola.
Me too, Baby Bap.
Thank you, Nola.
Aw, pleasure, Baby Bap. Friends, I hope that you were singing along with us. You were? That's great! Now, let's say thank you and goodbye to the Singing Radio. Ready? Thank you, Singing Radio. Goodbye. Until next time. That was so much fun. The Singing Radio really knows a lot of songs. Right, Baby Bab?
Yes.
There's actually a lot that songs can teach us, or even just get our spirits high for our shopping day.
Well, yeah. Twist my tail. I don't know.
This is our friend, the gyroscope.
Yippee! Gyroscope!
We love the gyroscope. When we look through the gyroscope, we can see far, far away. We can look anywhere we want. The gyroscope is very clever. Look at these two brothers. They have been taught how to do grocery shopping by themselves. This looks like a lot of fun. They even have a grocery list. I wonder what they're buying. Well, I can see that they have potatoes, broccoli, apples, cheese, and chicken. Do you know what helps us to collect all the grocery stuff from the shelf, friends? That's right! Our two friends have one that is just the right size so they can reach it and push it around the store. It looks like fun. That was some amazing view we saw today.
Yes, it was, Lolo.
See? I told you the gyroscope could see anything, anywhere, and that was great. Awesome. All done with the gyroscope. Let's put it away and catch it another time.
Twist my tail!
Inside the Baobab. Inside the Baobab.
Re le amohela hape metswalle mona inside the Baobab tree.
Hello!
Re ntse re ithuta ka ho ya lebenkeleng. Mme re ngola kaofela dintho tseo re di hlokang ho di ngola mona pampiring ya rona.
Jwale re se re tshwereng.
Okay, Baby Bab. Ha re bone hore re na le eng mona. Le lona metswalle le ka re thusa. Okay, so we have a ball,
Yes.
a book, juice,
Yep.
eggs,
Yummy.
milk, fruits,
Yes.
and vegetables.
Is that everything?
Yes, I think so, Baby Bab. We are almost ready to go to the shops.
Yay!
There's just one more important thing we need. Remember what it is, Baby Bab?
Yes! Money!
Oh, great! Chelete! Ah, you're right. Now, let's go make something where we can save our money before we go to the shops.
Yippee! Let's make a do!
Make and do. Make and do.
This is our magic toolbox, Tuli, and inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make your very own piggy bank. Let's wake Tuli up. Hello, Tuli. I'd like to make a piggy bank. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Great. It sounds as if Tuli is ready. Let me reach inside. So, I'll need different colored paper, some wrapping paper, tissue rolls, some glue, a pair of safe scissors, a marker, a box of tissue, I can't feel anything else, Tuli. Is that all I need? Fantastic! Let's get making so we can save.
We're ready!
Yes, we're ready, Baby Bab.
Yeah!
Now I can show you how you can make your very own piggy bank so that you can start saving your money.
Money! Twist my tail!
Let's make it.
Yahoo!
So, first we'll take a box of tissue, some wrapping paper, and glue.
Oh!
What we need to do is, we need to wrap our tissue box.
Oh!
Put some glue on,
Oh!
fold and stick that. Then take the other side, cover it. Take some scissors, cut it up, then take some here, put some glue, like that.
Oh!
So now we have made the body of our pig. What we need to do is make the face and the legs. To do this, we're going to take some pink paper and a marker.
Nice!
So I'll first draw the face, which is round. Then we'll make an oval. This is a slightly thinner circle for our nose.
Oh!
So when we're done drawing, what we'll need to do is cut our face. I've already cut mine here. And we need to cut our nose. There's one there. And we need to cut our 2 ears. See?
Yes.
Here it is. And there we have our face. Now our pig needs eyes.
Blue eyes!
And those will make our eyes.
Wow!
So, you cut them out.
Oh!
Remember friends, scissors are very sharp, so always ask your parents to help you. One eye. Round and round.
Oh!
Now let's cut the blue one.
Yippee!
There we go.
Eyes. Oh.
Now what we'll need to do is to put the face onto our pig. Like that. Then you paste the blue onto the white, like that. Then you take both eyes and put them on your face, like that. Now we'll need to make our ears.
Yes!
So we put the red onto the pink, like that. Now we need to take our ears and stick them on our pig. See, put them glue that way, then you stick behind the face like that. I've already made my finished product here. See? Then what you need to do, friends, is you'll need to draw a line here, then cut it with scissors so that your money can go in.
Yay!
See? Metswalle, ke tshepa hore le thabetse ho bapala le rona tsatsing lena.
Re a leboha haholo le bapetse le rona.
Tsatsing lena re ithutile ka ntho tse ngata tse thabisang haholo.
Eya, ebile re entse ntho tse ngata.
Empa ke nako ya hore re sadise metswalle ya rona jwale.
Motsotswana fela hle.
O se ke wa tshwenyeha baby Pep, re tla bona metswalle ya rona tsatsing le leng hape.
Ha, wa tshepisa?
Ke a o tshepisa.
Ho lokile. Ke tla bona wena le wena le wena hape.
Salang hantle.
Salang hantle.
Nnete, re bile letsatsi le monate metswalle. Re ithutile ka ho ya mabenkeleng. Re ile ra ngola dintho tseo re di hlokang mabenkeleng. Ra bina pina e buang ka dinomoro. Re iketseditse piggy bank moo re ka behang tjhelete ya rona teng. Le gyroscope o re bontshitse ntho tse kgahlisang ka ho ya mabenkeleng. Ehlile e ne e le letsatsi le monate. Re tjhakeleng hape mona inside the Baobab tree. Salang hantle.